India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasni.
Ka North East Olympic Association kan Pynlong ia kejingile kai North East Olympic Game Naduh ka lai phui Tarik Risaw haduk ka santrik unai wing kaban sa Pynlong ha Nongbah Shillong. Ya kini karai la shim ha ka sinjuk haringkat ka North East Olympic Association Committee bat ka sorkar jong ka jilla ha ka sni balang baladep. Ha kini kesni jong ka jingelang ka bla Pynlong ha Pinewood Hotel lai don ringkat ki nongelam jong ka Olympic Association jong barok pratali lat no ka Sikkim bat ka Tripura ki blai shimbenta lingba ki video conference. Ha ka jingekren bat kilat pathai khubor u president jong ka Olympic u bat TH Radhesiam badeiru u MLA jong ka jilla Manipur ulong baga jingthmu ban Pynlong ia kani ka North East Olympic Association hapok ka jilla kan long ru ka shibenta ban ya rakhi ya ka lingkho jong ka jingdap sanpos nem jong ka jingyo na ka jilla ka Bapura.
Our heartiest welcome to all the print and electronic media members, our friends. As we all know, Shillong is a dream destination for everyone. Everyone would love to see Shillong. We are very happy that today we had a joint meeting to organize the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games. The joint meeting was held. The Sports Department of Government of Meghalaya, represented by the Honorable Minister Sports, Mr. Bantedor Lingdo, the Commissioner and other officials. Then from our side, Northeast Olympic Association, myself, Mr. John, and all the members from 6 states to join from the online, as they could not make it physically offline. We discussed about the second edition, which is going to be held from 30th to you. We had a joint meeting in the Secretariat Meghalaya government to finalize the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games. But in his absence, if I start briefing, we have started recording now. I want him to be present. Doesn't look proper. Let him come. So if you want to ask anything about Manipur and myself, not.
So all the gentlemen are also
No.
sports association. We are very happy today that we have with us here from our president here of the Northeast Olympic Association, TH Radheshyam. He is also a sitting MLA from Manipur. He is also the president of Manipur Olympic Association. He is also the president of Basketball Association of Manipur. We also have here Mr. Abraham Teki. He is the Secretary General of the Northeast Olympic Association. He is also Vice President of Weightlifting. He is also one of the senior Vice Presidents of the Arunachal Olympic Association. We also have here Mr. Miran Paul from Nagaland. He is also the Senior Vice President of Nagaland Olympic Association, who is representing Nagaland here today. We also have another Mr. Chaubi here from Manipur. He is also one of the executive council members of the Manipur Olympic Association. He is also Secretary of Christian of Manipur. Next to him is Mr. Katsu. He is the Joint Secretary General of Aston, Joint Secretary of Nagaland Olympic, and he is also advisor of wrestling of Nagaland Olympic Association, Nagaland Wrestling Association, and we also had other 2 members from Assam who had to go back to Guwahati after they attended the meeting in the main secretariat. And we also have a colleague here, but he's not here right now with us, from Mizoram. Sikkim also participated virtually over the internet because this was a coordination committee. They will attend in subsequent meetings. So at this point of time, I would like our president to kindly brief us